is Bernadeta Merli Deviana. This is my video. Here, I'm going to make really delicious cheese strips with easily available and healthy ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 1 egg, 5 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 cup flour, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup of butter, and cheese. Steps to make cheese strips. In a bowl, mix together egg, sugar, and salt until well combined. Second, add butter. Third, milk powder, baking powder, water, and mix until well combined. Next, heat Teflon on medium heat. Put the dough thinly and flatten it. Next, add the cheese topping and leave until half dry. Next, fold the dough into a triangle shape and remove. Finally, add cheese on top and serve. Thank you for watching.